the first mobile phone with a removable memory card slot. Siemens SL45 was the first mobile phone with memory expansion 32 megabytes, and an MP3 player, which debuted in 2001. An improved version, the SL45i, was also the first phone to have a Java virtual machine. In addition to the MP3 player, SL45 offered other advanced features such as dictaphone with several hours of recording time, autoresponder, voice styling and voice commands, web browser, and context-sensitive help in several languages. Other software include calendar organizer, alarm clock, stopwatch, calculator, currency converter and games. While SL45 was one of the most advanced phones in its time, it was also one of the smallest.